Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel auto renewal on Glow using Glow app. You can use the Glow mobile app to cancel auto data renewal, and here's how to do it. First, you need to download the Glow mobile app if you don't have it on your mobile phone. So you can download it from the Play Store, like here's where I am, and the name is Glow Caf Nigeria. So once you download, just tap install. If you're using Google Play Store, you can also use your Apple Store to download it. So once you've gotten it, next thing you need to do is to register with your Glow phone number and log into your account. Then click My Account and choose My Plans to see your current data plan status and renewal date. Look for the option that allows you to cancel auto renewal and choose it. It's as simple as that. Now, you must note that when you cancel auto renewal on Glow, you can still use the data until the current plan expires. Then you must subscribe to a new plan, as the subscription will not be automatically renewed. In the event of opting out of your auto renewal on Glow, you must manually renew your data plan when it expires. It is imperative to monitor your data usage to avoid unexpected charges. And then there is no refund for unused data. You will not receive a refund for your unused data if you cancel the auto renewal service on Glow before your current data plan ends. Therefore, you must plan accordingly to avoid losing your current data to an impulsive decision. Lastly, you do not cancel auto renewal close to the renewal date, because you may be charged for the next data subscription cycle if you cancel auto renewal on the plan's renewal date. Therefore, it is better to cancel auto renewal at least 24 hours before the plan's expiring date. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which you put up every day. Thanks for watching.